Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing this very dramatic look. See it? See it? A little halo, you know. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching this video and I'm gonna explain that to you. I already did my eyebrows, primed my face, and moisturized my face, so I'm gonna start off by using my paint pot to, what is it? Prime my eyes. Now that my eyelids are primed, I am going to take this color right here in my Jacqueline, can you see? Jacqueline palette. Can y'all see what I'm doing? All right, and now I'm gonna take this color right here, the closest one to black, and I'm just gonna put that right in front of this color that I just put in. So you see how it kind of fade out. All right, I'm gonna take this really deep, it don't even look green, but it's a really deep green right here. I'm just gonna get that all good up in there. You just wanna blend like crazy. Now I'm just gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of blend out the brown, blend the green and everything together. All right, now I'm gonna take that green again that I was just using and just kind of go like that, and then take some more and then go right here. And then take the brush that I was using for the brown to just blend it up and around. Y'all see that? I'll show you on this side. Take it and blend it up and around. Now I'm gonna start to get this, I don't want to say that, I don't know. We're gonna lighten this up so we can put another color in there. So we're gonna take a brush that we would use to put concealer on, and I'm gonna use my paint pot again just to lighten up the middle. So you don't want to go farther than like the crease area. Yeah, see that? Now, in order to blend this out, we're gonna take a clean, well, not really clean, the fluffy brush that we use to blend everything else out, and just kind of blend it out lightly. Now you want to take another brush, a flat brush, and excuse me, I'm gonna take this here color, and I'm gonna just pack it right in the middle, right on top of that paint pot, or you can use concealer. It's totally up to you. And you can bring this up a little bit higher into the crease if you want, but I wouldn't recommend doing it too much, just enough to like make everything blend out seamlessly. Okay, the outside is not dark enough for me, so I'm probably gonna take maybe a black. I'm getting kind of risky. Take a black, a little bit of black. Do not go crazy with the black. Black is something that you need to build up on. So take a little bit of black. See how I did that? You can blow the brush, you can tap the brush, anything. And then the excess, you bring it into the front because you don't want the front to be too bad. bring it into the front, and then take that brush and bring it up and around. You can take another brush with less product, a more fluffier brush, just to blend it out even more. These halos take a lot of work. I'm gonna take that same brush, the flat brush that we used for the packing the color on, and I'm gonna take this color right next to the color that I just used. It's a more shimmery green. Put it right on top of that green you just had. Pick up the other brush with the black on it and blend it out again. It's a lot of blending with this. A lot of going back and picking up and trying something new, adding something else. It's a lot of that going on. Y'all like so far? Should I brighten it up a little bit more? Always. First, I'm gonna add a little bit more green. Just a quick little. Yep. I want to take a brown just to kind of blend everything out a little bit more, make it not so harsh. So I'm going to take a bit of a lighter brown this time. Maybe this one mixed with this one. Blow it off. And from here, you just kind of want to tweak it and make it look like what you want it to look like. So I just added more black, added a little bit more brown, and then obviously I'm gonna blend it out. But you don't want to blend it out too much because this is not the type of look that needs to be completely blended. As long as it's blended in the crease, that's fine. But as far as the color, like you see how it almost looks like just a regular eye look, that's not what I'm going for. So I am gonna blend out right here, and then I'm gonna take a dark brown and do anything in my power to make it look like a halo, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. See the difference a little bit? Just kind of enclose it, almost like trap it. Trap that green till that green don't go nowhere. Okay, I think we're done there. What you can do now is take the same flat brush and run that dark green that we used before under the water line or under the lash line. Don't forget to hold your breath so your eyes don't water. I never do that, so you can do it, you know. Take a little bit of black eyeshadow and do the same, only on the outer corner though. I recommend, but this is extremely optional, that you use some waterproof, or you don't have to be waterproof, but I'm using waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing, just a little black line right over the lash line to make it darker so that when we put the lashes on, it don't look crazy. As per usual, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the face. I know this looks crazy, but I got my lashes on. You can still see the glue kind of drying. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get started with the face, and that is gonna clean up all this craziness that you see right here. Or you could just take a makeup wipe and clean it up, but not me. I'm gonna brush this bike, and then take my Black Opal foundation stick around the forehead, down the cheek, down the jaw, down the nose, and do a little bit extra because we got some extra friends on our face right here. You see that? I can even do something under the eye if you want to. Take a flat brush, blend her out. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and y'all already know, get to highlighting. That's a little bit too wet, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it down. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little brush or a little angle brush, and I'm just gonna start blending everything out. Take a fluffy brush and go ahead and get some setting powder. And get the setting. Especially set the places that you put concealer, and especially in places that you know you get oily, if you get oily. So I know where I get oily at. Moving right along to blush and not contouring today. Moving right along to blush and bronzer. I'm not using my little quadrant today because it broke, but I am going to be using my Fit Me blush. I'm gonna take me a little dome brush, swirl it around, and then smile. And my e.l.f. bronzer. That did not go how I planned. Can't figure that at all. Always got back up. So I take this really, really dark LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna have to contour a little bit. Not too much though. Take a little bit of that. See that? A little bit right there. Any extra leftover product, I just bring it to the nose and a little bit around the forehead. Not too much though. This blush is a little bit too pinky for this look, so I'm gonna tone it down a lot. For highlight, I'm gonna use my same IBY little rose gold highlighter and a little brush like this. I'm gonna get the nose, upper lip, cheekbones, a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the chin. And I'm also gonna highlight my inner corner. So I'm gonna take a little brush and just kinda get in there. I'm gonna take a brown pencil and I'm gonna line my lips with that. I'm gonna take a Maybelline matte lipstick in the color 660. It's called Touch with Spice. It's a really pretty pinky color. That's not even the color it really looks. And I'm just gonna pat it around. Now I'm gonna take a, what is this? I'm gonna take a Wet n Wild lipstick in the color 919B, Vamp It Up / Style Vamp. And I'm just gonna get the outer corners and maybe like the outside. You know what that means? I'm done. Spray the face down. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching me do this little look or whatever. Y'all already know, as usual, do not forget to drink the agua. Please. Bye, girl.